Airline Revenue Management course. Elements of revenue management. Airline Revenue Management course will consist of a detailed conversation of rate techniques as well as just how to take advantage of these to maximize revenue. You'll be presented with principles such as developing price fencings, establishing prices according to customer kind, as well as various other pricing techniques. Airline Revenue Management is the application of regimented analytics that predict customer behavior at the micro-market levels and optimize product schedule and rate to maximize income development. Most airline revenue management start with an introduction to the subject, where you'll discover the essentials of earnings administration and just how it relates to the hotel and hospitality market. Airline revenue management will certainly also cover demand forecasting as well as just how to manage accessibility and feedback to modifications in consumer demand. Once you've finished your airline revenue management course, you may want to take points further with a brand new job or career development. About Airline Revenue Management course certification. The Airline Revenue Management Course and Development Institute is a leading provider of training solutions and professional development programs for the entire aviation value chain. They train thousands of aviation professionals and businesses each year with a commitment to developing careers and a workforce that makes the airline industry safe, secure and sustainable. But no matter how much technology has evolved in the airline department, the fares, ticketing, pricing, and revenue management teams are the ones influencing the outcome. Significance of Airline Revenue Management certification in 2020. Airline Revenue Management course educates the methods applied by airlines to acquire revenue from seat sales to maximize productivity. Upon completing this course, you will have the skills to apply pricing strategies, use strategies to generate revenue through the correct application of optimal seat allocation, make correct decisions in order to optimize revenue on a given flight, build a successful revenue management organization, understand why low-cost airlines require a revenue management system, to discover the techniques applied by airlines to derive revenue from sales to maximize profitability. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for revenue management courses in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in the UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best IATA revenue management exam preparation courses. The foundation in IATA revenue management offered by Zabeel Institute stands out from other training in the market. For further information, please contact phone 00971 4 3974905. WhatsApp 009715052585501. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/